Looking for a quick and crunchy snack that's both sweet and savory? These golden sesame biscuits are the perfect treat to satisfy your cravings. With soft dough made with simple ingredients. Whether you are serving them with tea or packing them as nashta, these sesame biscuits will leave everyone asking for more. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Cooking and Baking. Let's get started on this delightful homemade recipe. Take 1 egg into a mixing bowl and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well until the sugar is well dissolved. Continue mixing until the mixture is smooth. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now add 1 cup of flour to the egg mixture. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything together and make a dough. The dough should be soft and slightly sticky. Knead the dough gently until it comes together into a smooth ball. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface so the dough does not stick. Now use a rolling pin to gently roll the dough flat. Use a rolling pin to gently roll the dough flat. Once rolled out, use a cookie cutter to cut the dough into small biscuit shapes. You can make circles, squares or any shape you like. If there's any extra dough left, gather it, roll it again and cut more biscuits. Fill a bowl with water. Dip each biscuit into the water. Coat the biscuit with sesame seeds. Now heat oil in a frying pan over low heat. Carefully place the coated biscuits into the hot oil. Fry them in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each side until golden brown and crispy. Approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. When the biscuits turn golden brown, carefully take them out of the oil and place them on a plate. Let the biscuits cool down for a few minutes. Once they are warm and crispy, they are ready to eat. These sesame biscuits taste best when they are fresh, perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. And there you have it, crispy golden sesame biscuits made right at home with just a few simple ingredients. They are crunchy on outside, soft on the inside, and full of flavor with that delicious sesame coating. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.